Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA for like months and I only put out 2 videos, but I'm back and I'm better. A lot of things been going on in life, a lot of changes, so I have not been consistent and I do apologize about that. But today I have a good one for you guys. It's something that I've been passionate about, something that I am passionate about, and let's just get into it. So I honestly wanted to do this video for a while, but I was waiting on my dresser and my chest. So it finally arrived. So here I am doing this video. I got those little plants from Shein.com, believe it or not. Yes, the green me baby. I got the little plant in the back at Home Centric. That is my new favorite store. When I tell you affordable, affordable with a capital A, okay? My sister got me that little acrylic organizer from QVC, so I'm not sure how much that costs, but all of the things in this video is honestly from like Ross, Burlington, the dollar store, believe it or not, the dollar store. Don't sleep on the dollar store. Home Goods, of course. I got my mirror from Home. It was a bit pricey because mirrors are like, to me, investment pieces. However, later in this video you will see that I made a wall mirror out of some door mirrors that I got from Walmart. So if you would like to see that DIY project that I was working on, I will list it in the description box below. Yes, Nubian Queen. I love that piece. I got it from Home Centric, and this is me just putting up some final touches. It looks crooked, but I think it's honestly my camera because it's not crooked. I got my bed at Wayfair.com, but until these allegations are cleared, shop at Overstock, okay? I got this piece from Burlington, as I mentioned. I love Burlington. They have really affordable pieces. Don't sleep on Burlington. It was only 29 bucks. Anyways, it was not originally what I wanted, but I was really trying to be economical, so I had to do what I had to do. I got that side table from Burlington as well. It was 39 bucks. Let me tell you, all the side tables that I've been looking at were like $100 and up. So let me tell you about this curtain. I had this curtain since 2016 when I was living in a dormitory. Don't come for me unless I send for you, okay?